Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. As you have seen on the video title, I'll show you how to download the latest version of Windows 11 in this video. So without further delay, let's get started. To download the ISO image is easy and simple. Just search on google.com and search for Windows 11 download. Right, so just search on that. Once you click on that, on the official Microsoft link, this is it. So just click on download Windows 11. Once you click that and this open this page, depending on your PC that you are using, now just scroll down. As you can see, this is Windows 11 installation assistant. We don't need that. We need the ISO image. So here you can get the ISO image. Download Windows 11 this image ISO for x64-bit devices. So this option uses blah 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 blah. You can use your drive to create it as a bootable. So that is just explaining how you can use the ISO image. Just on here, select download the button. So just select here Windows 11. So currently that is the latest version which you are going to be downloading here. Once you select that, click on download button. Right, so click your language. In my case, I'm going to be using English United States, and then you confirm. Right, so once it's confirmed, now you have this download Windows 11 English. So click on the 64-bit download. Right, and we have it downloading here, as you can see. So that is just how easy and simple it is to download Windows 11, the latest version ISO image. Click the video on screen and watch how to create a bootable pen drive using this Windows 11 ISO image we have downloaded. So see you on it.